Hi everybody. So no one's ever shown this being done on YouTube that I can find. So I'm going to record it and post it. I'm replacing the 2016 Acura Tlx shifter knob. Mine broke off because my lanyard caught it and ripped off this part. So we're gonna see how we can take it off. So it looks like if you put it in here, in the crack, you should be able to pop it up. Looks like. Then I'll go to the other side and do the same. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah. So you just put it in the little crack and then pop it up like that. And that comes up, looks like. And we need to get this part out somehow. So let me take a look. Oh, here's a tab here. You push that tab. I might have to remove this screw to get the bottom piece out. Okay, so I removed the screw and then it allows it to be moved freely. So it looks like as long as you get that screw out and this screw over here on the trim, you should be able to push it down far enough. You can come in here and pull this down far enough where you can see the tab in there on this. If it'll focus. So this is a tab on top, that tab right there, and there's one right below it. But I can fit my hand right in here. If I move this out of the way again, and I can pop this wire out first, pull it out, and then use my other hand, pull this down a little bit. Again, push this tab here. And there, and then I got it loose. So now it's loose. See that tab right here? That tab needs to get pushed down to release. And then just pull it out. Got it. So you can see that tab right there. In there. And here's the old one. And here's the new one. Right there. So let's throw that away. Grab the new one. I got this one off of eBay. Came with this piece, but I'm not using that. Alright. Now that we got it out, the old one back out. Line it up. That's where it goes. Just push down this rubber a little bit. Enough to get this back in there. So I don't take the whole dash off. Let's see. Okay. Okay, got it in. Now let's just push it in. If you can see. Click. It's in. Now let's just get this white. Cable back in. Got it. And then click it back in. That's good to go. Push this back up so the screws line up again. I had to start the car to get the wheel to turn far enough to get the screw in or screw out. Let's pop that in. One there. Let's start the screw. Okay. And then once that's done, all you have to do is click this back into place. Click it there. There you go. Click it. Click. Now let's see if it fixed it. Turn the wipers off. Okay. Blinker works. Blinker works. See if these work. Auto. Running light on. Auto off. Brights. Alright, that's it everybody. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe.